hear ye, hear ye. Prepare thyself for the grand joust on the 15-minute battleground of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In this medieval melee, armored price knights clash for glory and gold. So don thy helmet and let the tourney begin. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value, area high, VAH, 6,942, the high ramparts where the archers watch for any breach. Value area low, VAL, 6,924, the royal moat that separates the peasants from the castle grounds. Point of control, POC, 6,929, the throne room where the king and his court have spent the most time today. Support zone, 6,912 to 6,924, the inner keep where the garrison stands ready to defend the crown. Resistance zone, 6,942 to 6,950, the outer siege walls that the invaders are struggling to scale. Single prints, escape paths, lower, 6,912 to 6,916, a secret tunnel beneath the moat, perfect for a surprise counterattack. Upper, 6,950 to 6,950, the signal fire atop the highest tower, indicating a breakout is imminent. Market context. The kingdom's borders are expanding, as the knights have reclaimed the high ground following a brief retreat into the valley over the weekend. The atmosphere within the castle walls is one of cautious consolidation, with the court awaiting reinforcements before attempting a final push toward the northern peaks. Sellers attempted a siege early in the session, but the royal guard held the gates and pushed the invaders back toward the ramparts. Overall, it is a rebuilding phase, where the bulls are attempting to re-establish dominance over the realm. 3-day march through the kingdom. Day 3, January 23rd, POC, 6,940. High, 6,964. Low, 6,925. The kingdom flourished in the high mountains before a winter storm forced a temporary retreat. Day 2, January 25th, POC, 6,901. High, 6,917. Low, 6,879. A quiet day of regrouping in the valley floor while the lords recruited fresh peasants. Day 1, January 26th, POC, 6,929. High, 6,950. Low, 6,912. Rebuilding the defenses as the court migrates back toward the mountain pass. Volume analysis. Cumulative, volume, delta, CVD, breakdown. Session open, CVD, -20, the morning began with a few deserters slipping away into the woods. Intraday peak, buying, CVD climbed to 4,640, a massive reinforcement of heavy cavalry arrived at the camp. Current CVD, 2,543 net, 2,563 from open, meaning the king's army has grown significantly despite some midday skirmishes. Intraday low, CVD, low, -4,179, a moment when it looked like the siege might actually succeed. Interpretation. The aggressive arrival of fresh troops has shifted the momentum back to the crown. Any attempt to storm the walls will require more than just a few ladders. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, near the royal moat at 6,924 to 6,929. Stop loss, below the secret tunnel floor at approximately 6,911. 4 ticks beneath the lower single print, or use average true range, ATR, approximately 8 points below entry. Profit target, initial target at the throne room, 6,929. Major target at the high ramparts, 6,942. Short trades. Entry zone. On rejection of the high ramparts at 6,942 to 6,950, or a breach of the moat. Stop loss. Above the signal fire at approximately 6,955 or ATR above entry. Profit target. POC for first partial, then VAL. Position sizing. Use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended level after first target. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, acceptance above, VAH. Knight's Torch, through the high ramparts at 6,942. Setup. Enter long above 6,942 with stop at 6,929. POC. Target 6,960 plus on momentum continuation. Scenario B, rejection at VAH. Invaders are repelled and slammed back from the ramparts at 6,942 to 6,950. Setup. Short on first failure, off VAH. Stop above 6,950. Target P, OC, then VAL. Scenario C, failure at VAL. The moat is drained and price breaches the royal moat at 6,924. Setup. Shorter break. Below 6,924. Stop above 6,932. Recent swing high. Target 6,912 single print area. Scenario D. Value bounce. The Royal Guard holds the gate at 6,924 and finds fresh resolve. Setup. Long at 6,924. Stop at 6,911. Target POC, then VAL. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.